Hi everybody, this is Rafael Leal McCormack, and this is Breeze Home version 5.0. This is user story number 2647 of our Backlog Workshop video, which belongs to the Mortgage Calculator team. Our product owner is Masoud Sajadi, and you can contact him at sajadi@cs.fiu.edu. So, here we have our Backlog Workshop, which is comprised of three separate parts. The first main part is the calculator tool, which involves all the containers and all the inputs and all the menus involved in calculating a mortgage. Our next important part is the D3 visualization plugin, which essentially creates a chart that shows the user a user-friendly version of how to pay their mortgage monthly and what exactly they're paying for. And then the tool documentation, which we have to create for all the things we're making in our application. And down here we have an example of what the D3 plugin would look like, which has the chart and then what exactly you're paying. Over here in Mingle we have the two epic stories that we created off of this, which is the calculator tool and the data visualization tool. And in here we can see in depth the user stories that we currently have. We could end up adding more user stories as we continue working, but for right now we have these user stories. Some of them are already assigned for the next sprint or getting accepted for the next sprint, and this is what we have so far. Thank you.